This video is all about how to remove blackheads and whiteheads using natural scrub. To prepare the scrub, we need coffee powder and honey. Take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Add 2 teaspoons of honey. Mix it well. The scrub should be thick in consistency. Do not make it thin. Wash your face with your regular face wash or cleanser. Pat it dry. Apply the scrub on your face and massage in small circular motions. Concentrate on nose and chin areas where it is more prone to blackheads and whiteheads. Do not apply this on active pimple or pimple prone areas. Coffee scrub removes blackheads and whiteheads in the first usage itself. It improves the texture of the skin, making it very soft and smooth. It removes dullness from the skin, making it bright. Honey moisturizes the skin and soothes the skin. Scrub for 3 minutes and wash your face with just water. Do not use soap to wash the scrub off. Use the scrub twice a week to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. Do this regularly and see the difference in the first usage itself. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.